pull them off. And you do cook, Nehilet?
I love to cook.
You love to cook?
Yeah.
I'm understanding that you love veggies as well.
Yes, I do.
So this is right up your alley.
This is definitely right up my alley. I'm excited to have you cook for me.
You are?
Yes.
Oh my God. So I am actually doing, as I said, veggies today. We are moving away from the meat, and you're doing Lent and you're practicing Lent. This is perfect. This is all about roasting vegetables. Thanking the folks at Adam's Sauces, because we are going to be showcasing the garlic sauce and doing a garlic and feta cream sauce to just drizzle all over these veggies. Yes. Oh my goodness, I think I should get started. But just before I get started, Nehilet, I mean, such a pleasure having you.
Yes.
You have been, I mean, you come from royalty in terms of music in this country.
Yes.
You've been singing from the womb.
3.
That's
since
in
I
your blood.
was 3 and I wrote my first song at the age of 6.
You serious?
Yeah. Don't ask me to repeat what the song like, but yeah.
But you remember writing the song at that age?
Yeah, I actually have a video of me singing the song.
Yeah.
Don't ask me to repeat.
No, got it. But over the years, tell me about the impact, because I know the impact that your father would have had on all his children.
Yes.
I mean, tell me about that personal impact that he would have had on you in terms of your music.
In terms of the music, the impact was to find your own identity. My dad never wanted us to be clones of him, so that's why he never wrote for us. So we were homeschooled, and part of school he would have given us a scripture verse in the Bible and say, well, you haven't half an hour to come back with a song. So we learned to write. So I think that every black man has a song, but an individual song of itself. So I think the impact was to be yourself, to find your own identity, but be inspired by others, but still be yourself.
Yeah.
So I think that's...
I think you'll be smiling, because I think you all did that in your own way. When I look at the range of the Blackman's family and the children, you all did that in your own way. You all have your own identity and bring the music to life in your own way.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
I have to start cooking. So guys, I'm gonna do the garlic and feta dip. This is such an easy dip to do that you just need to try it. I have some mayonnaise that I'm just gonna put in a blender. We're in blender mode today. I'm following up from chef using the blender. When things go in a blender, it's kind of just so simple and easy to just pull together, easy like that. So this is feta cheese. Have you ever had feta cheese?
Yes, I love
feta cheese. As I said, this is very Mediterranean, European, but it has a lovely, nice, salty, kind of nice twang to it. I love to use it. I love those type of flavors, but I like to mix these flavors with our local flavors.
Yes.
That's how I kind of roll, That's how I kind of roll. So I'm adding, it crumbles nicely. So I'm adding the feta cheese straight in here. I have a little rice wine vinegar.
Oh, rice wine.
Rice wine vinegar that I'm adding there just for that little tartness. I have a little sugar.
Okay.
That I want to put in there as well. Sugar. And then I'm going with this garlic sauce. You can use plain and drink it straight out of the bottle of beer.
Okay.
But don't. It is so good that you feel sometimes you can put it in your head and drink it. But I really just want to add about half of this bottle.
Okay.
Just to give it that nice little creaminess. A little salt and pepper for good measure. You don't want too much salt and pepper here. Why? Because the feta cheese
already have a salt.
It has some salt content.
Okay.
And you really just want to get this going. That's a perfect dressing. I just really want to make sure so when I serve Nehilet.
It's good. Is it good?
It's good. Yeah. A little more salt. You know what's another thing you could have done here?
Well, put some pepper sauce. I don't like too much pepper, so let's put a little bit of flavor. Not yet. That's up your side.
Before I put the bottle in and we can't eat. Right? And that you can spice it up. If you're a pepper eater, the almond pepper sauce is world famous pepper sauce. You add that in there. Right, guys. So, what I can do is just pour this lusciousness right in here. This will go over my roasted vegetables. So, quickly, this is real quick stuff. I have some potatoes and carrots. So I'm roasting in in two stages. Reason
Two
being,
stages?
yeah, reason being, these guys are a little heartier,
Okay.
and these guys here,
Don't need that amount of
they
heat.
don't need that amount of roasting.
Okay.
So the broccoli, I have some peppers and onions.
Right.
I'm gonna put it in afterwards. So very simple. I'm seasoning, salt, pepper,
Okay.
a little bit of. I love rosemary. It's
Rosemary,
one of
yeah.
my fantastic,
Yes.
one of my favorite herbs. Yes, I love that. And I just really want to drizzle a little bit of
Olive
olive oil
Yeah.
and kind of pull that together. This goes on a baking tray
Right.
and goes in the oven
First.
first.
Right.
You roast this up. Let me leave this here because we have the power of TV. And in TV, when you have a fantastic staff, meaning my wife, I just literally pull this out and I have been roasting this here.
Okay,
Yeah?
awesome.
Now you're doing your softer vegetables.
Right.
So I have broccoli, as I said, some colorful peppers and some onions that I'll get right back in my bowl.
Okay.
And I just love mushrooms. I don't know if you love mushrooms.
Yes, I love mushrooms.
Oh, thank God. Because mushrooms is just something that I kind of just use whenever I can use it. It's just one of those things that I just really love. So you're literally doing the same thing you did to the potatoes and carrots.
Right.
A little olive oil that you get in there. And then you season up. Simple salt,
Yeah.
pepper, and my favorite
Rosemary.
herb, rosemary. Yeah? You toss that together. You know what?
Yeah, then Chadon, Beni.
Hey, you see my eye in it now?
Yes.
You see my eye in it. And it really just want an extra flavor. So this Adam's Chadon Beni could really almost replace
Yeah.
your green seasonings.
Right.
It's so good. It could be used as a condiment, but you could season chicken. We did some
Nice.
wings last week with
Okay.
it. It's just fantastic.
I'm definitely gonna
It's
try
just
it.
fantastic. So you just toss your vegetables, give it a little extra, that little Trini flavor kind of thing. And with that there now, you can add straight to this.
Okay.
So the roasting will be sort of even. You just spread it out. Remember the potatoes and so on would have done a pre-roast.
Yes.
And there you go, guys. This goes in the oven and roast. And then roasted vegetables is
Yay! It looks so good.
roasted vegetables is like the bomb.
That looks so good.
It's the bomb. So now let me plate up here for you now. And
Right.
all you do now is you just kind of get some of these vegetables. So this is real healthy. Now, if you are a meat eater, you can throw some
Add some salmon. or
salmon,
something.
some grilled chicken breasts.
Yeah.
To still keep it healthy, you can
Yes.
get protein for the meat eaters. This is a meal. My roasted vegetables, guys, with none other than my Adam's garlic and feta sauce. You can serve yourself up.
Okay.
Yeah. And tell me.
do this.
And tell me.
Piece of broccoli.
Broccoli. Nice TV bite.
Yeah. That's a big bite. That's still a big bite. Okay, let's see. I hope it's not too hot.
Hey.
Oh my god. That is so good.
Nehilet Blackman, ladies and gentlemen, we are coming back. Thanks to the folks at Alvin for making it possible. Nehilet Blackman is here and we are sharing a cup with her after. Hey, find out what she's been up to and all the good vibes that she's spreading in this beautiful Twin Island Republic that is sweet TNT. Come on back, guys. Roll Out a Recipe came to you courtesy Adam's Original Gourmet Sauces. All natural ingredients.